Welcome to Watch. Here is the market analysis brought by Macro Global Markets on April 9th. Market analysis. Yesterday, the spot gold market fluctuated at a low level, with the highest at $3,022.69 per ounce and the lowest at $2,974.75 per ounce, and finally closed at $2,981.96 per ounce. On this trading day, Asia broke the adjustment range in the morning market and fluctuated all the way up, reaching a maximum of $3,020.48 per ounce, and is currently trading around $3,016 per ounce. Recent market hotspots focus on the trend of the Trump administration's tariff policy and the recent progress of negotiations between the parties to the Russian-Ukrainian conflict. At the same time, the future trend of the Federal Reserve's monetary policy will also affect the market trend. Gold market. At present, the hourly chart of spot gold is in a low shock stage. Judging from a short-term 15-minute chart, the gold price is in a shock stage, with a shock range of $29.99 to $30.22, which can be sold at a high price and bought at a low price in operation. If the afternoon market breaks 3,022 points, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can look at 30.32 to 30.42. If the afternoon market breaks 2,999 points, you can intervene in empty orders, and the lower target can look at 29.89 to 29.79. Stop losses are all $5. Forex market. Euro to US dollar. The exchange rate of euro to US dollar is in the shock stage in hours, and the 15-minute chart is in the shock stage. The 15-minute chart oscillation range is 1.1003 to 1.1073. Operationally, you can sell at a high price and buy at a low price in this range. If the market breaks 1.1073 points in the aftermarket, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 1.1120 to 1.1150. If the afternoon market breaks 1.1003 points, you can intervene in the empty order, and the target below can be seen at 1.0950 to 1.0900. Stop losses are all 20 points, 0.0020. Pound sterling to US dollar. The exchange rate of pound sterling to US dollar is in a low shock stage on the hourly chart and in a shock stage on the 15-minute chart. It can be sold at a high price and bought at a low price in the range of 1.2806 to 1.2862. If the market breaks 1.2862 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 1.2900 to 1.2940. If the afternoon market breaks 1.2806 points, you can intervene in the empty order, and the target below can be seen at 1.2740 to 1.2700. Stop losses are all 20 points, 0.0020. Australian dollar to US dollar. The exchange rate of Australian dollar to US dollar is at a low level in the hourly chart. The short-term 15-minute chart is in shock, and the shock range is 0.5950 to 0.6004. If the market breaks 0.6004 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 0.6050 to 0.6090. If the afternoon market breaks 0.5950 points, you can intervene in the empty order, and the target below can be 0.5900 to 0.5880. Stop losses are all 20 points, 0.0020. US dollar to Japanese yen. The exchange rate of US dollar to Japanese yen is in a volatile stage. The short period 15-minute chart is in shock. Operationally, it can be sold at a high price and bought at a low price in the interval of 144.56 to 145.46. If the market breaks 145.46 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 146.00 to 146.60. If the afternoon market breaks 144.56 points, you can intervene in empty orders, and the target below can be seen at 144.00 to 143.50. Stop losses are all 20 points, 0.20.